Okey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hari ini kita akan tengok introduction for heat of combustion. Okey, untuk heat of combustion a bit different compared to heat of precipitation, heat of displacement and heat of neutralization. Why a bit different? Because the definition is heat change when 1 mole of substance is burned in excess oxygen. Where is the substance here? So means that kita nak cari N, number of mole of the substance. But you no need to worry, it's not too difficult. Cuma dia beza the substance, the number of mole that we want to find is the reactant. Previously, kita cari number of mole of the product. For example, number of mole of water, number of mole of precipitate, number of mole of metal being displaced. Okay, so we go to the heat of combustion. The definition is heat change when 1 mole of substance is burnt in excess oxygen. So ni oxygen. Substance ni normally we use alcohol. Macam nak tahu alkohol? Alkohol insyaAllah kita akan learn next chapter, chapter 2. Alcohol is an organic compound yang mana it can react with oxygen. So for example, if we choose ethanol, C2H5OH plus oxygen, so it will produce carbon dioxide and water only. No need to worry, our product is always carbon dioxide, CO2 and water only. Why? Because we burn our substance in excess oxygen. So bila in excess oxygen means that our substance burns completely. Semua terbakar dengan lengkap dan hanya menghasilkan carbon dioxide gas and water. Okay. So, teacher dah explain ni kan dekat dalam master the chemical equation for heat of combustion. Kalau ada yang tertinggal tak tengok lagi boleh review. Ada dekat dalam collection video yang teacher berikan tu. Okay. So next kita nak tengok macam mana calculation melibatkan heat of combustion. Okay, so this is the example of question given to you. The thermochemical equation for the complete combustion of ethanol is shown below. Nampak? So this is the substance. This is the excess oxygen and this is our product. Our product is only carbon dioxide and water only. Okay, before we go further, just a friendly reminder. Our formula used is the same, which is Q equal to MC theta, and also heat of reaction or heat of combustion is equal to Q over N. Okay, no need to worry, we still use the same formula. Okay, next, calculate the mass of ethanol needed to burn completely in excess oxygen in order to raise the temperature of 200 cm cube of water by 50.0 degrees Celsius. So 50.0 degrees Celsius is our theta. Assume that no heat is lost to the surroundings. Okay. Apa function dia kata assume ni? Kita anggapkan peralatan yang kita pakai semua perfect. Okay. Seterusnya, apa yang teacher nak awak jangan confuse tentang mass of ethanol. The mass of ethanol is not this one. This is not the mass. Ini bukan. Ini bukan mass of ethanol. Don't be confused. Okay. M ini adalah siapa? M is the mass of substance which being raised the temperature. Mass bahan yang suhu dia meningkat atau menurun. Dalam kes ni, mass yang berkait dengan suhu, sebab ada theta ni kan. Mass ni adalah mass yang berkaitan dengan temperature change. Mass the substance yang berkaitan dengan temperature change adalah mass of water. So in this case, bila kita nak kira Q equal to MC theta, the temperature, use this one, the theta, and the M is the mass of water. Since the water we are using 200 cm cube, means that the mass is 200 gram. We just assume the density of solution 1 gram per cm cube. Maksudnya 1 gram of water is equal to 1 cm cube of water. Okay. So, finish with that one. Sekarang soalan nak cari calculate the mass of ethanol. Macam mana nak cari mass of ethanol? We can get the mass of ethanol from the number of mole. Dari mana? Daripada sini. Macam mana nak dapatkan ni? Okey, nampak delta H is given. Q dibagi tak? Tak ada. Tapi boleh cari tak? Ya. We can find the value of Q by using MC theta. M is given or not? Yes. The mass of water, 200 cm3 or 200 gram. C, the constant is given and the theta also given here 50 cm3. So, masukkan dalam rumus Q equal to 200 times 4.2 times 50. So, you will get how many joule? Next, after you get how many joule, next step, fill it in delta H is equal to Q over N. Delta H is 1376 times 1000. Why we need to times 1000? Because Q. If Q, we have to change kj to J. Why? Because our constant here, C, the unit is J. Okay. So, equal to, kita dapat value Q tadi kat sini kan? J over N. Nanti kita dapat N berapa. So, kita tengok macam mana. Okay. So, look at here. So, Q is 42 kilojoule. So, from the chemical equation, 1376 kJ of heat is released. Means this is our value of delta H when the combustion of 1 mole of ethanol. So, therefore, macam mana kita buat? 42, this is our Q. This is our Q of ethanol which 0.03 mole of ethanol C2H5OH. So, macam mana dapat 0.03 ni? Ni. Delta H equal to Q over N. Our delta H is given 1376,000 equal to our Q is 42,000 bahagi dengan N. So, awak akan dapat N is equal to 1376,000 bahagi 42,000. Awak akan dapat 0. Oh, sorry. 42,000 divide with 1376,000 bahagikan 42,000 dengan 1376000 ni, awak akan dapat 0.03 mole. So, this is the number of mole of ethanol, C2H5OH. This is the number of mole of ethanol, 0.03 mole. Since we know that, untuk kita cari number of mole is equal to mass over molar mass. So, kita ada our number of mole is 0.03 equal to mass kita nak cari. Mass of ethanol kita nak cari kan. And then the molar mass given is 46. So, awak akan dapat mass dia is equal to 0.03 times 46 is equal to 1.38 G. Macam calculation ni. Okay. So, yang ni jelas. Kita tengok slide seterusnya. What is fuel value? Fuel value is the amount of heat energy released when 1 gram of fuel is completely burnt in excess oxygen. Kalau fuel value, dia nak calculate when heat energy released when 1 gram of fuel. 1 gram. Okay, 1 gram of fuel is burnt in excess oxygen. So, kat sini, kita nak tengok this is the heat energy release for each gram. Sebab tu gram negative 1. So, what is the formula for fuel value? Delta H ataupun delta heat of combustion, delta HOC divide with molar mass. Molar mass of siapa? Of the fuel. For example, fuel ni contoh dia adalah ethanol. Kita nak cari fuel value of ethanol. So, molar mass of ethanol. If let's say we want to find the fuel value for hexanol. So, ini molar mass of hexanol. Okay, so look at the example. The heat of combustion of octane. Ini adalah delta H of combustion. 5500 kJ. Calculate the fuel value of octane given this relative atomic mass. What is the function of this relative atomic mass? The function is to find molar mass. Macam mana nak cari molar mass? Okey, tengok. In this octane, C8H18 ada 8 karbon dan ada 18 hidrogen. So, in order to find the molar mass, so kita kata 8 carbon plus 18 hydrogen. So, masukkan dia punya relative atomic mass. Carbon relative atomic mass is 12. 8 darab 12 tambah 18 hydrogen. The relative atomic mass is 1. So, awak akan dapat. Inilah awak dapat ni. So, dapat 114 gram per mole. So, this is our molar mass. Since the formula for fuel value FV is equal to delta HOC divide with molar mass. So, 550 kJ per mole bahagi dengan 114. So, this is the fuel value. Okay, as simply as that. Okay.